Hello everyone, yo soy Viviana and today we are starting a new series about the verb to be in Spanish. The verb to be in Spanish is ser o estar. Then I'm sure this will be easy for you. Just let's get started. Comencemos. The verb to be in Spanish is made up of two different verbs. These verbs are the verb ser and the verb estar. But what do these verbs mean and when can we use them? If you still don't know this verb, don't worry, because we will start from the beginning. And now let's start with the verb ser. The verb ser is used to answer the question who, what, and how. With this verb, you talk about who and how you are, or who and how something or someone else. But don't worry, because we will learn this step by step. The verb ser is used to talk about our name or someone's name or something else. For example, yo soy Viviana. My name is Viviana. The verb ser is used to talk about our nationality or the nationality of someone or something else. For example, yo soy de Colombia. I am from Colombia. Also, you can say, yo soy colombiana, I am Colombian. The verb ser is used to talk about our essence, or the essence of something or someone else. This means that the verb ser is used to talk about an identity. But you use the verb ser too when you are talking about a relationship. For example, yo soy mamá. I am mother. Or maybe you can say, he is my brother. Él es mi hermano. The verb ser is also used to talk about our characteristics or the characteristics of something or someone else. For example, yo soy alta. I am tall. Do you hear that alarm? This means that you have to be very careful because there is an exception. What is the exception? Well, the exception is for your age. In English, you say, I am 25 years old, but in Spanish, this is wrong because in Spanish, you can use the verb ser when you are talking about your age. You need use other verb. This verb is have. In Spanish, have is tener. Then you need to say, yo tengo 25 años. Literally, this in English means I have 25 years old. Now that you know the verb ser, you should always remember that we use it to answer the who, what, and how questions. Let's look at some examples. Before I go on, I need to explain something important to you. For you to learn to use the verb ser easier, still I will not tell you to conjugate it. This you will learn in the next video. For now, we are only going to work with the first person in the singular pronouns. And if you still don't know the personal pronouns, I invite you to know them in my previous video. And I will be post this link in the comments. Let's comencemos. The first person in the singular pronouns is I. In Spanish is yo. To conjugate this pronoun with the verb ser, you must say yo soy. Yo soy is I am in English. Yo soy. Yo soy japonés. I am Japanese. We use yo soy because we are talking about the nationality. Yo soy María. I am María. We use yo soy because we are talking about a name. Yo soy mujer. I am woman. We use yo soy because we are talking about the essence of a person. Yo soy inteligente. I am smart. We use yo soy because we are talking about a characteristic. Now you know how and when to use the verb ser. Let's see how this verb is used in a conversation. Hola, yo soy María. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Hi, I'm María. What's your name? Hola María, yo soy Camila. Hi María, I'm Camila. ¿De dónde eres, Camila? Where are you from, Camila? Yo soy de Colombia. ¿Y tú? I'm from Colombia. And you? Yo soy de México. ¿A qué te dedicas? I'm from Mexico. What do you do? Yo soy profesora. ¿Y tú a qué te dedicas? I am a teacher. And what do you do? Yo soy profesora también. I am a teacher too. In this lesson, I'm going to leave you a homework. Write me in the comments phrases with the verb ser, and I'll be checking your answers. This is the first video in this serie about the verb to be, in Spanish, verb ser and verb estar. The next video, we will learn to conjugate the verb ser and continue later with the verb estar. If you liked this video and it helped you, I invite you to follow the page and like it. I'll be posting every week. I hope see you soon. Bye bye.